Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. In this video, we will discuss how you can use an online website to create images from your text content. And the main gist is it gives full control to you. There is no censorship, and even uncensored requests are allowed in that. So use with caution. But yeah, this is one of the websites that I will recommend to you. Let's head over to the website. This is perchance.org, and you have to go to the URL of AI text to image generator. This is extension. So over here it has multiple generators over here. So these generators help you to create multiple AI functionalities. Like people have their own custom plugins over here. Like as you can see, image layer combiner plugin, wheel plugin, comments plugin. So these are the different useful plugins that people have created using the generator functions. You can also create your own. So over here you need to head to AI text to image generator, and I have created a simple request over here. Tom Cruise using a sword to fight a demon. So as you can see, it has generated some pretty cool images, and it does look a little bit like Tom Cruise, and the style is also anime. You can create different styles over here, like vintage photos, 1940s, 80s, manga and everything. And this is the anti-description, which you don't want in the image, and the number of images and everything. And one of the cool features is that it is completely uncensored. You can have different kinds of requests as you wish. So this was one of the top websites that I found while scouring through lots of different websites, and this was one of the reliable and the one that actually worked. So I hope you find it useful. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.